Good afternoon. This is a presentation for the question on the part 2 for this activity. And the first question, the question is which university would you carry out your specialization in logistics? And the answer, I'm going to do my specialization at the University and Columbia. And the second question, how many days would you be on the beach in Mexico? The answer is I will be six days in Playa del Carmen, Mexico. And the third question, what other place would you like to meet as family? The answer, I would like to go with my family to Europe. The fourth question, what do you plan to do when you retire? The answer, enjoy with my family on rest and valuable time. And the fifth question, what of creative? When you were a child, you had dreams. Have you managed to fulfill one? The answer. I had a great dream of being a professional basketball player, but I may injured it, not let me fulfill it. This is my presentation. Thank you.